Hello, welcome to PIA Philippine Islands Adventure. My name is Milo, and today I'm going to show you one of my orchids. And the reason is because this orchids just amazes me. This one is growing in a sphagnum moss. I just got done repotting them, and it is looking very healthy. I've got this for I think for about a month or two now, and it is so beautiful, and I love it. I've got this flower pot from the Amazon, and I ordered a bunch of them, and then I put holes in there, and there's also holes, original holes on the bottom. And when I put moss on my plants, is I don't cover the top right here in this. It has to stop your moss. It has to stop where the roots are, and you can push this down. It's not going to damage any roots in there. Just do it gently. And so it has to stop right there. You cannot go over up here, otherwise it's going to start root rot. But anyway, the amazing part about this plant is I'm going to show you here. I'm going to pick up my camera right now, and look at this. The flower is so beautiful, and the reason for that is that look at the petals. It's got this light pink or white on the tip of the flower, and it is so gorgeous, and that's why I got it. And I really love this color. As you can tell, a lot of my videos are in this color because I love them. And it's like a fuchsia color or almost dark pink, and I really love them. And it has a lot of flower right now, and I hope that I'll be able to keep them for a while before it starts dropping. But I keep them on the window, as you guys can tell right here on some of my plants. They're on the windows. And this is the section 2 of my orchids. This is in the dining room because I have 3 sections of orchids in my house. One in the bedroom, one in the front windows, and one in the dining room window. And this is really lovely plants. I love the texture. I love the design, the design of the petals. The flower is just amazes me, and I really love them. And look at that, guys. It is so gorgeous. All right, just want to show it to you. You take care, okay? Bye-bye.